floor, please. It's good. Magic, thank you very much.
Milestone Brewery for Hammerhead Stout, Navigation Brewery for Arizona Wave. And gold awards were made to Blue Monkey Brewery for Cinder Toffee Stout, with our category champion is the Loose Cannon Brewery for Mrs. Stout. Category is the class speciality in light beers. This is also kindly sponsored by Rankin Brothers and Sons. A bronze award went to Navigation Brewery for Keyline. I'll try that again. Keyline Pale. And the gold award and category champion is Chilton Brewery for Earl Grey IPA. Next category is the Hardfort Cask IPA category. This is kindly sponsored by Charles Farham. A silver award was made to Brampton Brewery for Special Ale. And the gold award and category winner is Blue Monkey Brewery for Infinity Plus One. Cask Pale Ale categories is kindly sponsored by Rankin Brothers and Sons. Bronze awards were made to Welbeck Abbey for Atlas, Blue Monkey for Infinity IPA, and Peak Ales for Dipper. Sorry, DPA. Silver awards were made to White Horse Brewery for Show Pony, Liquid Light Brew Co. for Less Dangerous, and Front Row for Jackler. And the gold award and category champion is Navigation Brewery for America. Our next category is the Cask Session Pale Ales. This is again very kindly sponsored by Rankin Brothers and Sons. Bronze awards were made to Brampton Brewery for Golden Bud, Thornbridge Brewery for Astrid, and Rebellion Beer for IPA. Silver awards were made to Castle Rock Brewery for Flow State, Little Brewing Company for Hush, and Charnwood Brewery for Blue Fox. But the gold award and category champion is Navigation Brewery for Rebel. Our next award is the Cask British Best Bitters. This is again kindly sponsored by Rankin Brothers and Sons. So Andy's not running away, this is good. A bronze award was made to Brewhouse and Kitchen for 004 Oaks. And gold awards were made to Brampton Brewery for Wasp Nest, but our overall category champion is Purity Brewing for Pure UBU. Our next category is the Cask British Bitters. This is kindly sponsored by Murphy & Son. Bronze awards were made to Titanic Brewery for Anchor, Grain Store Brewery for Red Kite, Welbeck Abbey Brewery for Red Feather, Dancing Duck Brewery for nice weather for ducks, and Castle Rock Brewery for preservation. Going to take a deep breath. Silver awards were made to Vale Brewery for Red Kite, Liquid Light Brew Co. for Wizard of Finance, Charnwood Brewery for Vixen, Purity Brewery for Jimbo, Lincoln Green Brewing Company for Hood, Brampton Brewery for Brampton Best, and last but by no means least, Chiltern Brewery for Beechwood Bitter. But our overall category champion and gold medal winner is Davenport's Brewery for Original Bitter. Do we have anybody from Davenport? Andy, would you like to come and collect on behalf? Our next category is the British Dark Beers. This is sponsored by Chris Malting Group. Bronze awards were made to Brampton Brewery for Brampton Mild, Thornbridge Brewery for Market Porter, and Rebellion Beer Co. for Roasted Nuts. Silver awards were made to Founds Brewing Company for Korvac Saga, and Dancing Duck Brewery for Dark Drake. And our category champion, Grain Store Brewery for Rutland Beast. Final category, apart from the overalls, is the cask session dark beers, and this was clearly a very hard-fought category. This category is currently sponsored by Bulk Storage and Process Systems. If you would like to come up and present the award, a bronze award was made to Charnwood Brewery for Ermintrude. A silver award was made to Vale Brewery for Black Beauty Porter. And gold awards were made to White Horse Brewery for Black Beauty, Milestone Brewery for North Rock, Grain Store Brewery for Rutland Panther, but your overall category champion, Peak Ales for Mild. So now I'm going to go to the overall champion keg competition. I'm going to call out the bronze, then the silver, then the gold. If each of you who wins would like to come up and collect your certificate. The bronze award, this is kindly sponsored by Whisper Pumps. If anybody from Whisper Pumps is here to make the award, that would be wonderful. The bronze award in the overall champion keg beer of the Midlands Independent Beer Awards is Attic Brew Co. for Intuition. The silver award, the runner-up spot, goes to Loose Cannon Brewery for Reunion Triple. So, the overall champion keg beer of the SEBA Midlands Independent Beer Awards, Attic Brew Co. for Signals.
Okay, guys, it's good.
Oh yeah, it's stuck. It's a bit.
Brewery for American.
Thank you.
And the overall champion cask beer of the Seaburn Midlands Midlands region competition. Don't go too far away. Navigation Brewery for Rebel.
One more, please. Brilliant, thank you.
Congratulations to all of you. The message from the judges is the standard of beer was excellent this year, really high, really good. Could we get the two overall winners back onto the stage for a photo? Otherwise, to the rest of you, thank you so much indeed for all your hard work and help. And enjoy the rest of the festival. Thank you. Just one last word from Andy Sleep.
Just one final thank you, if I may, for those listening around. A big thanks to Buster, who plays an incredibly important role in pulling these competitions together. So, Buster. Enjoy your evening. Thank you.
Thank you all. Have a lovely evening. We'll see you all soon.